Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today we'll talk about Candlestick patterns indicator. Right now I want to show one article that we wrote on our website. The name of the article is Candlestick pattern indicator, and we put a text about candle pattern recognition. And we said that the Candlestick pattern indicator represents a plug-in indicator for the MetaTrader platform for pattern recognition on the chart. Below, you can download the indicator and detect patterns such as engulfing pattern, Joji, Harami, Morningstar, dark cloud patterns, etc., etc. And of course, on our website, you can download this indicator for free. Now, we will try to create some small review about this indicator, how you can use, how can maybe be easier for you to trade if you have this indicator, etc. But before that, I just want to talk about something very important. First, what I want to tell you is that you know already that, but I need to repeat, this channel is not investment advice, and I do not want to talk about investment, etc., etc. And the second one is that every single indicator that you use in trading, you need to understand probabilities. And if you test any kind of indicator that exists on the market, any kind, pre-made, famous, not famous, it's not important. Every single indicator based on the technical analysis and price, you will see that if you test that indicator using some expert advisor and test and buy and sell signals and put, for example, for stop loss $1 and target $1, you will see that every single indicator will be around 50% accuracy. So if you think that it could be 70, 80, 90 or something like that, you need to understand it's a mistake, because no one in the market, no one has advantage to other people with some special indicator, something like that. So we tested hundreds and hundreds models, very complicated, based on the fundamental and technical analysis. But if we decide to test any kind of indicator, any kind of pattern, using this strategy, like I said, when risk and reward ratio is 1-to-1, it will be around 50%. So this is very, very important to tell you at the beginning, because your expectation should not be so high. But on the other side, we have some indicator that everybody knows these patterns. So patterns are very famous. I will just show right now. It's a bearish engulfing, free outside down, free inside down, dark cloud, free black crows, free outside up, free inside up, piercing line, free white soldiers, Harami, etc. So right now I enabled bullish and bearish engulfing pattern, and all others I set false. Of course, if you want, you can set to true, and it will be visible on your chart. What's important here, for example, I am looking British pound dollar monthly chart. As you can see here, you have a three times bullish engulfing pattern, and believe or not, it was in the June, from the June to October, and up to 1st February 2018, you see that it was true, and with a high accuracy, we had a bullish trend on the end of the 2017 to 2018. After that, we had two bearish engulfing pattern in 2018, and as you can see, both of them were moderately right. We had some bearish trend for both indicators, for both patterns. And after that, we have one indicator from the October 2021. it's a bearish indication that next several weeks, maybe months, it will be bearish for British pound US dollar. So this is the situation for British pound US dollar, and you see how you can use this indicator. Of course, if you use bearish bullish indicator and a bullish pattern on a 1 hour chart, you will have a lot of bullish engulfing patterns. But my advice, there is a lot of noise here. So if you want to use any of these indicators, the best scenario is to use on daily or weekly or monthly chart, because then you will have maybe higher accuracy than you expect. And for example, for monthly, you can have almost 60% good ratio, but it's very rare. You have a couple per year. For weekly, you will be between 55 to 60% accuracy. Just repeat again, risk-reward ratio 1:1. And if you use this bullish engulfing pattern or bearish engulfing pattern, you can have such similar approach. But on daily, you will be around 53, 52%. And if you go lower and lower, it will be around 50%. So we made a lot of tests for last 25 years. We did a test, for example, major 15 forex pairs. We tested on stock market and various markets, and globally it's in 50s. So do not believe that any kind of pattern, any kind of system has accuracy very, very high. But now what I want to tell you about this indicator says that you can easily switch and enable set as true and false every single of these patterns. You can easily install. If you want to install, just go to File, Open Data folder. You will get MQL4, and here in Indicators directory you can set and you can download in this directory your file, and after that you just need to refresh. Here where is the indicators, you just refresh and you can easily find any kind of indicator that you have in that folder indicator. So to install and use this indicator or any other MetaTrader 4 indicator, it's very easy. So there's no problem there. Just about application, I just want to tell you that always try to use this patterns indicators as some kind of caution, because it's very, very important to understand probabilities, and do not believe that engulfing bullish or bearish pattern can give you such a great edge and advantage or something in the trading market. I'm talking about this and repeat again and again the similar sentences because I read a lot of internet blogs and websites about engulfing a bullish pattern, and I saw that a lot of people exaggerate and talk too much about that in the wrong way, and people can think that they can earn a lot of money because they use some indicators. So do not be like that, people. Just think about that. It's not so easy. If it's so easy, a lot of billionaires will be trillionaires in a couple days. So it's not that easy. But in strategy, overall strategy, I like bullish and bearish engulfing pattern. Of course, I like a lot of patterns from this list here. Harami, for example, I like Harami. I will put in the chart too, just to put on the chart to see that Harami. But what is the important here is to understand that always try to put little bit higher or lower your stop loss. For example, if you look this candle with this green candle as a stop loss, you can put few pips, maybe more above that as a stop loss. Always try to avoid any kind of wash up. Wash up is a term that traders use in trading when they just for few pips you lose a trade and again trade go in the direction that you wanted. So just think about stop loss and targets and try to use all these candlestick patterns with caution. So this is the whole story. So I hope I will repeat again. In this YouTube video below you can download this indicator and you can use test on MetaTrader platform. You can read the article as a review of this indicator. It's nothing special. This is just major indicators, that major patterns that traders like to use. It's nothing so important, but it's much easier when somebody other set and draw the pattern on your chart instead you to look up manually. So this automated tool is beneficial. So I wish you a great day and bye bye.